Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a healthy strawberry, mango, and papaya smoothie. This smoothie is bursting with flavor, and with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, this drink is sure to make your tummy happy. Here are the ingredients that I used to make this smoothie. I used a half a cup of milk, 4 cut strawberries, 1 small cup mango, 3 cubes of sliced papaya, a small bowl of crushed ice, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. First, start off by pouring in the bowl of crushed ice. Next, add in the bowl of sliced fruits consisting of sliced papaya, strawberries, and 1 small mango. Then, add in the half cup of milk. Last, add in the 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Once all of the steps are completed, blend everything until the smoothie is rich and thick. Finally, pour the smoothie into a glass cup or your favorite bottle and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a healthy strawberry, mango, and papaya smoothie.